Hello, good afternoon. Kumusta po kayong lahat? I am not physically present, but we shall still continue with our pronunciation drill. And so I hope everybody has a copy of our LCG pronunciation guide, which will cover April 4, that's tomorrow, until May 1. Okay, so what are we going to do now? We have the words here, biblical names and places, and also English words. So we'll go again, one by one, what we have here on the paper. So ang gagawin po nyo, I'll give you time to take a look at the word. And then after around 3 or 4 seconds, I'm going to say the word. So find out whether you have read it quietly, correctly. Okay? Kung tama kayo, you congratulate yourselves later. Alright, let's start with the first one. Okay? Please read quietly. I rather read it aloud. Go. Okay? Did you say it? Portico. I repeat, portico. Let's go to the next one. Read quietly, aloud. Did you say it? Piety. The word is piety. Next word. Read it aloud. I'll say it. Sadducees. Sadducees. Were you correct? Next word is, quietly, say it aloud. Did you say it Caiaphas or Caiaphas? Both are correct. Next word, say it aloud. Thanks. Thanks. Next word, say it aloud. Aaron. Aaron. Next. Aloud, please. Water. Water. Next word. Read. The word is Thomas. Thomas. So it's silent H. Next word. Say it. Yes. Annunciation. Annunciation. Next word. Aloud. Ahaz. Ahaz. Next word. Say it. Weary. Weary. Next. Go. Scroll. Scroll. Next word. Go. Barnabas. Barnabas. Next. Say it. Cypriot. Cypriot. Next one. Go. Extol. Extol. Next word. Say it. Infuriated. Infuriated. Next one. Go. Gamaliel. Gamaliel. Next word. Go. Theudas. Theudas. Next word. Go. Hellenists. Hellenists. Next. Go. reputable, reputable. Next one. Say it. Stephen, Stephen. Next word. Go. Philip, Philip. Next one. Go. Progress, progress. Next word. Say it. Nicanor, Nicanor. Next one. Go. Timon, Timon. Next one. Go. Parmenas, Parmenas. Next word. Go. Nicholas, Nicholas. Next one. Go. Of Antioch, of Antioch. So we say Nicholas of Antioch. Next word. I check myself there. Nicholas of Antioch, of Antioch. Next one is go. Cilicia, Cilicia. Next. Okay, go. Asia, Asia. Next word. Go. Blasphemous, blasphemous. Next word. Go. Statutes, statutes. Again, statutes. Okay, we're done with the first column. Let's go to the second one. I couldn't find the word, the family name of Saint Bernadette. I think it has to be, I'll just say it, Saint Bernadette Soubirous. Check me if it's wrong. Check it. Google it, please. Kaya niyo yan. Next word. You know this? Okay, say it. Yeah, Saul. Saul. Next word. Say the place. Okay. Judea. Judea. Next word is, okay, say it. Samaria. Samaria. Next word. You have seen this place. You have heard this place. Say it. Right? Gaza. Gaza. Next. Say it. Okay. Desert route. Desert route. Some would say desert route. That's also correct, but that's British. Next one is 2 words. Go. Yes, Ethiopian eunuch. Ethiopian eunuch. Next word. Say it. Candidacy. Candidacy. Next word. Say it. Azotus. Azotus. Next one. Say it. Caesarea. Caesarea. Next is, say it. Damascus. Damascus. Okay, say please. All right, very good. Whoever eats this bread will live forever. So, huwag tayo magkamali po doon. Next one. Say it. Ananias. Ananias. Next one. Go. Lydda. Lydda. Next one. Say. Aeneas. Aeneas. Next word. Say it. Joppa. Joppa. Next one. Go. Uncircumcised. Uncircumcised. Next. Say it. American accent is reptile. Reptile. Next one. Say it, please. Okay. Phoenicia. Phoenicia. Next one. Go. Cyprus. Cyprus. Okay, next word. Say it. Simeon. Simeon. If the spelling is capital S-I-M-E-O-N, it is the same pronunciation as this. So it's Simeon. Next one. Say it. Niger. Niger. Next one. Go. Lucius. Lucius. Next. Go. Manian. Manian. Next one. Go. Seleucia. Seleucia. Next word. Go. Salamis. Salamis. Next word. Say it. Silvanus. Silvanus. Next. Go. Pisidia. Pisidia. Next. Go. Earthen dish. Earthen dish. We're done with the second. Let's start now with the first word in the third column. Go. Iconium. Iconium. Let's go to the next. You read it very slowly and then say it also very slowly. I will say it also very slowly. Lycaonium. Lycaonium. Let's go to the next. Go. Lystra. Lystra. Next word. Go. Derby. Derby. Next word. You know this well. Go. Zeus. Zeus. Next. Go. Hermes. Hermes. Let's read the next sentence. Go. He did not leave himself without witness. Next word. Go. Scarcely. Scarcely. Did you do it well? Okay, next one. Go. Considerable. Considerable. Next word. Go. Pamphylia. Pamphylia. Next. Say it. Perga. Perga. Next word. Say it. Italia. Italia. Next one. Go. Creatures. Creatures. Next word. Go. Crawl. Crawl. Next one. Go. Multiply. Multiply. Next one. Say the phrase. Fill the earth. Fill the earth. Next. Go. Array. Array. Okay, let's go to some words which are commonly mispronounced. So once again, what's the first word? Go. Ancestor. Ancestor. The next word is related to it. What? How do you say it? Go. Yes, it has to be ancestral. Ancestral. Next word. Go. Minister. Minister. Next word. Coming from minister, we have go. Ministerial. Ministerial.